Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RGS3 101. And in today's episode, I'm gonna go through the method of installing games with multi-disc. So, for example, if I go over here to Call of Duty Ghosts, you can see that there are 4 entries. But when you do the conversion, you may have only converted like disk 1 and disk 2, or probably the installation disk. So, let me launch and show an example of what I'm. So if you launch the game and you press start campaign, you can see you're faced with this. And if you click yes, you get that error. Now we're gonna go to the second one and we're gonna launch the second title. As you can see, this title is labeled as installation pack, and there's nothing you can do with it. And the other entries are the same thing. You have installation pack 1, installation pack 2. So I'm gonna just give you a brief run through to resolve situations like these. It will work for most games, but not all games. So let's move over to a PC and let's get this resolved. Alright, so now that we're on our PC, and you'll need the Call of Duty Ghost Disc 1 and installation disk, and you can do that with almost any game that has the game disk and installation disk, but we're gonna do Call of Duty Ghost for now. So what you'll actually need, you'll need ISO to God to convert the play disk, which is this one, and you're going to need Xbox 360 ISO extractor to extract the installation disk. So let's do this. So we don't need to extract that. We don't need that. Alex uncheck those. So what we actually need is installation disk. So we are going to choose where we want to actually extract it to. As in choosing destination, we're going to choose where the ISO to God is going to extract those games to. So it goes to game, and let's choose the Xbox 360 folder. Alright, and let's do the extract. So it's going to extract the installation disk to that location. So now all we need to do is to add the play disk to ISO to God and do the conversion. Alright, so we're gonna add disk 1, open. Alright, and let's rename that to the proper name. Okay. So you'll get the mismatched name because I'm using an older version of ISO to God. There's a newer version that has a CSV database that will search for the game title and incorrect the proper name. It does have not updated as yet. But anyway, let's add our ISO and let's convert this one. Alright, and I'll be right back when this finished converting. Alright, so now that our game have been converted, so we no longer need this application. We can close that. Alright, so we just need to navigate to the location where this has been converted to. And here we are, ISO. Alright, so this is the play disk. Go and you're quite familiarized with how everything is set up. And this is the installation disk right here. So what we need to do, we need to go into the content folder. Similar to the content folder that's on your console hard drive. Folder with the 16 zeros. And we need to copy this file right here, because this is the installation package. So we need to copy that. And we're going to go back all the way up into here, and we're just going to paste it here. Alright, so what I'll need to do, we need to just transfer this to an external. and put in our console. So we're going to do that, and let's move over to our console and get it all transferred over, and we'll see how it works. Alright, now we're back on our console. So what we need to do, we need to get rid of all of these titles. Normally it's just one folder, but it's split up like that because of the different files. So let's go into Aurora, File Manager. Actually, we're going to the content folder, and we're going to look for Call of Duty Ghosts. We're going to get rid of that. Alright, once we do that, we're going to go to our USB, and that's our Call of Duty Ghosts. We're going to copy that, and let's go to our content folder, and we're going to paste it here. Alright, so it's doing its thing. We'll skip ahead forward to when it's finished. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, so let's copy it across. So what we need to do, let's back out of here. And we need to go into script. Okay, let's load up that database cleaner. Because we need to clean up, I'll call it the residue of these that was left right there. Alright, so let's get connected and get that done. Alright, so I've loaded on database cleaner, so let's clean those up. See 4 titles affected. Alright, let's do a restart. Perfect. So if we go, just have one title. Alright, let's start our save frame, and there you go. Be able to
It was a different time.
Start and play your game with
60
success.
men from Tier 1 teams were sent to face down a force.
So thanks for watching an episode of RJ3
Their objective,
101.
to force the enemy back.
Join me again in other videos. I continue to demonstrate how to get things done. Alright, have a good one. Like and subscribe.
They held their ground. But the enemy's numbers were too great. The 60 were cut down to 15. They wouldn't last another night, and the enemy knew it. Under the cover of darkness, they evacuated the hospital, sending only one of their own.